Kumshi benta banirap ban pensuk kun samlagi pule buat kam wat jam haga jela. Nakaliang sorkar jela kala penmi ya kewe program ban aji kai kun samlagi bal shimkia banirap lingba ka Chief Minister's Career Guidance Scheme. Ban lingba ka ni program kun samlagi ni ikalat ban syai kai kat kum kilan ji pule ke bagi dan. Ban aji kai habide bagi yok kam sorkar kam hagi bank ke ji kai halo ke Qat lane ke Common University Entrance Test. Kat lane ke Common Admission Test or IIMS bat wiki way baga jing shai kai kan long hadu riu tat li ta yo ya kan ik program lap tha ban pelong haman lagi district jong jala Meghalaya kabla shimkhia lagi office jong i deputy commissioner jong ban lagi district han kat ki jing lang bat kitnat CNRD block ban daga jing snok tilang ki nong mi khmat jong ki constituency bo pher bala shim ya benta ban ai ji kai da kawe company kabla tep kum ka triumphan Institute of Management of Education lani ka TIME ka bamenta Riboy District na sedang ini ke program ka baan pulong hagi benta bo pher jong barot Southly kitnat CNRD block bakantup nadu ke Jirang block Umling block bat ke Bharbang block layo ban sedang syuai ke program na ka umsning CNRD block wala play ke program ha ka spotrik jeliu aja opsan wala pulong ha ka building jong ke dolbas nong patarim Wedan benta arngut ilong mi khmat iba kantop yo Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA kumsning ba Charles Mangar MLA Mohti Uraja Brahma Project Director jong DRDA ba Andrew Motong BDO kumsning CNRD block bat kisamla pule gi ban sasha hikai hakani program aba kren hakani singi sedang yakani program nakalyang ki arngut kinong mi khmat kilong bakani kan dei ka wei nei kabu bat kalat kalenti nam tai khun samla wat kam wat jam ha jela kaban nakaliang kesuka jela kala perkhat kerpang kuno baniram banyo ikalat kalenti banyo ikam ila kentu ikun samla bigit simkhia ini benta baban minot tista nahadu pandakut kijing syahikai kaban long hadu riu tuli kita yo kunju uru nakaliang kita ginom ikmat kina ai jing kesan siginong penia jong kani program daga song pisa nakam ta jia ba yarenti jong kani program.
Without wasting any more time, I have already introduced the members here. This program today is just to give you a brief introduction of what this entire initiative is all about. You see, all of you deserve that one opportunity to learn and to prepare yourself for the different government exams that you have all applied for, or maybe you'll be applying in the future. The district sees your potential. The district knows that all of you are capable enough of clearing these exams, and this initiative is a testament to that belief. For all of you who have enrolled for this coaching program, congratulations. First of all, why? Because you have taken this bold step to get yourself enrolled under this program, and I hope that all of you will make use of this opportunity, will stay curious all the time, will stay ambitious, and you will work hard for a brighter tomorrow. This initiative that has been planned is for your betterment, and I hope that you will not let go of this opportunity to waste.
The Chief Minister wants the state to prosper, the youths to be employed through the right career choice. Now in this hall, how many do not want to make money? Raise your hands. How many do not want to make money? Raise your hands. Nobody. That means everyone wants to make money. It's correct or not? I can be a philosopher, give good advices to other people when I have financial security. Correct or not? I cannot give advices to people when I go back home, I don't have food to eat. So the best security that you can give yourself is financial security. But even that, money is not everything. Someone could have enjoyed in America with lots of money. But there is a call within him that we should be able to change the thought process and the mindset of our youth in the Northeast. That's why he is back. If your aim to come here is only for DSC, you will not succeed. At least aim for MPSC or maybe UPSC, so on and so forth. If you aim for the stars, you could land in the moon. If you aim for the moon, you will land in the ocean. That is the same. So we should give ourselves a higher goal.
Inasutri ko noong nangayang play, kagama, kabalashim pinilisin niya long coaching. Kikanya baru kila itu ya ke life history, nakaliang jong time nata, especially nakaliang jong drama. Tengah opa ni tu pi kau ini pangidai mentang agak jemut juga berkat ni syam ni nak kau abang hitang kan ni. Abangan kenal, ya ke family background, ke background ke banglawan. Aku tak kepor tangkum kena ada bah masih, tangkum kena balun masih. Dan manusia dong jadi ini gitu, ya ke background juga. Kedai kau ke bangadan, ke jumur ke jumur man gasmi ke bawah banglawan. You will see me one day. But the word impossible. Kekentin bomlah kemudian dan ke dictionary itu. Tengah deh ya ke politics dan itu ngalong specialize in politics. But ngapas ya ke politics nak away ke school ke pembuatan bayo kan leh mana-mana. Berkata ke school ke deh Dr. Didi Lopam Politics School. Semangat try bagi na Jerusalem 2003. Nato bang nang ngapuli kelas 10 orang Kristian Islam. Nato nato ko. Na asam try bagi. Di atrenya. Kemudian main coach nga Demi. So Demi. Tiah pada jong ko coaching ni tu ifi na panyan shibun bijinge. But what hero pinhamyan. You have to go through pinhamyan. You have to go through it. Dan bagi training, coaching, kepiawai bagi gue. Pada kau ini seni pilihan di sini, haru untuk kau yang jom kenal. Dengan berapa di berbincang, berbincang bersama siap. Para bapak BA, boleh ni siap ni dengan berbincang, belum ni dengan coaching kelas. Para bapak BA dan orang ni school sudah ngapas kelas dan ni nasional dan orang jadi. Ikan kasih dengan kelas dan. Kalau sudah belum haru nak kenal. Dia, ni nak kenal. Kita ni ada problem. Kumno bang ini kun ni interview. Ke apa? Tangga DSC, rumah terakhir orang apa? Kalau ni interview sistem interview, kita apa? Ikhna jongi. Para pas biye te tambah. Ikhna kiwe nama boleh. Nama apa? Iduna ke English. Iduna ke knowledge. Everything iduna. Tenang tak tahu ni kucing kalau spesifik nak kita jongi. Pernah gua orang ni bikin ikut. Bagi hamba wanita nado sedang mau hadu menopot dari kucing nang berpilapan menyukun ni kan hanging ini program kedon ke DSC, MPSC, SSC nang tak pada di bank nang tadi nak kejengwan juga new education policy dan kedon CUT beberapa pihak Jepun ni kan ini lo kita kedon kam kata apa menyentuh ini bah tidak berpikir nak jadi tiba apply kampung dia. Mari kita tanya orang buat ini kan. Bawa apa yang dia mau. Klaim, lah ada, physically klaim. Dalam politik nimla. Boleh, memang itu nak. Nak tahu dengan bagi kucing, bagi pulau, dengan pulau kucing.